Welcome dear students. In last lecture we completed what is probability, then what are the random experiment and what are the outcomes, how to write the outcomes, that also we have already learned. Dear student, today's our topic is sample space and sample point. It is very easy. If you understand what is outcomes, then it is very easy to write the sample space. Now dear student, in practice set 5.1 we see the second question. That means we have to choose a one day from a week, and for that experiment we write what are the possibilities. That means we write the outcomes. All that outcomes we have to write in a curly bracket, then it is called as a sample space. Dear student, very easy. If we toss a coin, this is one experiment. In this experiment we have to toss a coin. After tossing a coin, what will be the results? What are the possible results? That possible results we have to write in a curly bracket. That is called as a sample space. That means suppose we have to write the sample space for the experiment for a coin. A coin is tossed. This is one experiment. And dear student, all of you know the outcomes of this experiment. A coin is tossed. That means when we toss a coin, what will be the possibilities? On the upper surface, what will be there? There will be a head or there will be a tail. That we have to write it in a curly bracket. That means possibilities of experiments. We have to write it in a bracket, curly bracket. Suppose see here, this sample space generally denoted by capital S, and then we have to put equal sign, and then we have to make the curly bracket. A coin is tossed. For this one coin, what are the possibilities? It will be a head. We did not have to write whole word that is head. We have to write only H. Then another possibility is that is tail. Then H, we put the comma. Then we write T. Then complete the bracket. These are the sample space. This sample space for any random experiment is denoted by capital S. This is also denoted by this symbol. It is known as the omega. See dear student, sample space of any random experiment is denoted by, generally it is denoted by capital S, or we can use the symbol, this symbol, it is known as the omega. Anyone we can use, generally we are using the letter S. Now for experiment a coin is tossed, what are the sample space? Sample space is H and T. Now what is the sample point? For this experiment we have to write the sample point. Sample point means how many possibilities are there? For a coin is tossed, there are two possibilities. One is head and another is a tail. Therefore this head and tail, that is two possibilities are there. Therefore for this random experiment sample point is 2. Now for that purpose we have to write n, that is number of sample space is equal to 2. This is called as a sample point for the random experiment a coin is tossed. I think everyone understood this. What is the sample space? Sample space means possibilities of a random experiments. Then sample space is denoted by capital S or by this symbol, and this symbol is known as a omega. Then what are the sample points? How many possibilities are there? Two possibilities. Therefore the sample point for this experiment is known as a 2. In our book there are various experiments are given and sample space are given. One table is given that you have to follow. In that, see, if we take the, here one coin is tossed. Suppose we toss a 2 coins. Now for 2 coins we have to find out the sample space. Now see here, for 2 coins we have to write sample space S is equal to, in bracket. Now 2 coins are there. First tell me for one coin, that is S1, we can write T and H. Got it? Then second coin, that is S2, is T and H there. Now we have to write togetherly. That means if we toss one coin, at that time there will be a T. On the second coin, there will be a H. Then TH is the first possibility. That is, on one coin there will be a T, and on the second coin there will be a H. Second possibility is, on first coin there will be a T, and second coin there will be a T. That is TT. See here, first coin T, first coin T, second coin H, and second coin T. Now first coin is a H, and second coin will be a T, and third will be a first coin H, and second coin will be a H. These are the four possibilities are there. Therefore, if two coins are tossed, then what is the sample space? We have to write, we can write HH, that is, on both coin there will be a head. Then H and T will be there. Then T and T will be there, and T and H will be there. These are the sample space for two coins. Got it? We can write in any way, any sequence we can use. And what are the sample points? Number of S is equal to 4. Got it? See, dear student. Now we have to find out. See, dear student, if we toss a one coin, then there is a number of sample points will be a 2. If the two coins are tossed, the number of sample points will be a 4. Got it? Now I have to toss 3 coins. Then what will be the sample points? Dear student, see here. I know how to find out the number of sample points. Here, one coin is tossed. I definitely know that there are two possibilities. Two sample points are there. How I decided? I want to tell you one trick here. See, two coins are there, and when two coins are there, I write the sample points 4. Definitely there are 4 sample points. But how? See here. If we take the third, that is 3 coins are tossed, then I have to write the sample space. Now for writing the sample space, first of all we know how many possibilities are there. Now for that purpose, see, dear students, we have to write here one formula. See, 2 raised to 1. Here 2 raised to 1. That means one coin is there, and therefore we write here 2 raised to 1. What is the 2 raised to 1? It is 2. That means when one coin is tossed, the sample point will be a 2. If two coins are there, then we have to write 2 raised to 2. Now 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, when two coins are tossed, definitely the sample points will be a 4. And now see, 3 coins are tossed. If we have to find out the number of points, sample points, then it is 2 raised to 3, and 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. That means while writing the sample space for the 3 coins, we must have to write the 8 sample points. Got it? How to write? See here we have to write S is equal to, in bracket we have to write. See, 3 coins are tossed. When first coin is tossed, then it will be a H. Second also H, and third also got H. That means in first coin, if we toss first coin, then it is H. On the upper surface there will be H. For second coin there will be H, and third coin there will be H. Now what will be the changes? See, first will remain H, then second will also remain H, and the third one get changed, it is T. That is HHT. Then what will be the third one? Third one will be a H. First coin remain H, then second will be a T, and the third will be a also T. Then what will be the next? Here it is, first will remain H, second will be a T, and the third will be a H. Now dear students, see, all 3 are head. First 2 are head and third one is a tail. Here first H and the second 2 are T, and here first one is H, second will be a T, and the third will be a H. These 4 are completed. Now we know that there are 8 number of sample points. Then how to write? Just interchange. This instead of H, write down T, T, T. Then third will be a T, T, H. Then it is T, H, H. And here it is T, H, T. These are the sample space. And there are total 8 number of sample points. Therefore, number of S is equal to 8. Got it? Dear student, further we have to find out the probability. And for finding out the probability, we must know how to write the sample space. Without knowing the sample space, we can't find out the probability. We can't solve the sum further. Therefore, you must have to know how to write the sample space and how to find out the sample points, number of sample points. Now all of you know that the formula we can use. If one coin is tossed, then make the 2 raised to 1, it is 2. 2 coins are there, 2 raised to 2, that means sample points will be a 4, and 2 raised to 3, it is 8, and 4 coins will be there, then 2 raised to 4 we have to find out. Like this we can find out or we can confirm the number of sample points. I think for this coin, for these 3 coins, you understand how to write the sample space and the sample number of sample points. Now dear student, one more thing I want to explain you here. See, in exam or in a question, see, 2 coins are tossed. 2 coins are tossed. Instead of, if it is right, 1 coin tossed 2 times. Try to understand this. There are 2 separate coins, and 2 separate coins we toss simultaneously. That means 2 coins toss simultaneously, and 1 coin we toss for 2 times. 1 coin toss for 2 times. Meaning of these 2 experiment, meaning of these 2 sentences are same. That means 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, or 1 coin tossed 2 times. Sample space will be the same. Same thing for the 3 coins. That means if 1 coin toss 3 times, or the 3 coins toss 1 time, meaning of both the statements are same. Sample space, sample points will be the same for both the experiments. Remember, see, 2 coins are tossed 1 time, or 1 coin tossed 2 times, then the sample space and then sample points will be the same. Second thing is 3 coins are tossed at a time, or 1 coin tossed 3 times. Both the meanings are same, sample space will be the same, and number of sample points will be the same. Now see dear student, after completing the random experiment about the coins, now we have to go to the die. All of you know the dice. See here, in the previous lecture I show you the die. On that die there are various points are given, 6 surfaces are there. On each surface there is a different points, 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, like this. And if we toss a 1 die, then, or roll a die, if we roll a die, then what are the see here, sample space we have to write for the random experiment. A die is rolled. A die is rolled. Now all of you know that there are total 6 surfaces. After completing the random experiment, upper surface belongs 1 dots, 2 dots or 3 dots. There are 6 surfaces, therefore 6 possibilities will be there. Therefore for that a die is rolled, then there will be on upper surface there may be 1, there may be a 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There will be no any possibilities other than these 6 possibilities. Got it? Therefore a die is rolled, then S, that is sample space, will be a 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore number of sample points will be a 6. This is about the a die is rolled. Now see here, the second condition is 2 dice are thrown. 2 dice. The second condition is that 2 dice are thrown. Then when 2 dice are thrown, then what are the possibilities? Now dear students, how to find out this sample space? For this random experiment, 2 dice are thrown. We have to write S. Then, see here, if I throw 1 die, then on the upper surface there will be a 1. Got it? Then on the second die there is a 1. That means if I throw a 1 dice, on the upper surface there will be a 1. Second die there will be a 1. Then what is the second possibility? Is 1 is remain constant for the first die, and on the second die we change the numbers. 1 1, 1 2, it is 1 3, it is 1 4, then it is 1 5, and here it is 1 6. Like this. There are these 6 possibilities are there. Next will be, what is the possibility? We have to change the number for the first die. First die there will be a 2 1, then it is 2 2, then it is 2 3, then it is 2 4, then 2 5, then it is 2 6. Like this we can write all the possibilities. On a upper surface for the first die it is 1. On upper surface for the first die we take 2. Here we can write 3 1. For next we can write 4 1, then it is 5 1, and here it is 6 1. Then here it is 3 2, then it is 3 3, here it is 3 4, then 3 5, and here it is 3 6. Like this, I think you can you understand how to write this. For the sample space, for the 2 dice are thrown. Here we can write 4 2, here it is 4 3, here it is 4 4, here it is 4 5, and 4 6. Then it is 5 1, we have already written, it is 5 2, then 5 3, here it is 5 4, then it is 5 5, and here it is 5 6. Then the last one, 6 1 6 2, 6 3, here it is 6 4, here it is 6 5, and here it is 6 6. Like this we completed the sample space for 2 dice are thrown, and number of sample point NS is equal to 36, dear student. Therefore, dear student, remember how to write the sample space for 2 dice. I have already told you that without writing the sample space for any random experiment we can't solve further. Therefore, you must have to understand how to write the sample space for a particular random experiment. Here we completed about the die. In first time, previous of this we completed the about the coin, 1 coin, 2 coin, 3 coins. Then here it is 1 die and the 2 dice are thrown. Then what are the sample space and what is the sample points? I think everyone understood. Very easy it is, dear student. Then there is a another random experiment is given. In that there are cards, and from that cards we have to select one card. See here, a card is drawn from a pack bearing numbers from 1 to 25. There are 1 to 25 cards are there. On each card one number is written, 1 2 3 4. Total 25 cards are there, and from that we have to choose one card randomly, and for that purpose the sample space will be it is 1 2 3 4, and dash 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 we can write 25, and therefore number of sample points NS will be 25. Dear student, very easy. Now see dear student, I have already explained you about the playing cards. In playing cards there are total 52 playing cards, and from that 52 playing cards, according to the color, they are divided into two groups, 26 of red colors and 26 of black color playing cards are there. After that, these 25 red color cards, 26 red color cards are divided into two groups according to their shapes. In the red colors, there are two shapes. One is a diamond and another one is a heart. One is a diamond, that is, these 26 cards of red color are divided into 13 cards of heart shape and 13 cards of diamond shape. Then black color cards are divided, 26 cards are there and they are divided into two groups. One group of 13 cards and another group of 13 cards depending upon the shapes. One is a club shape and the another is a spade shape. Therefore, 13 cards are of club shape, 13 cards are of spade shape. These are black colors. And in the red colors, 13 cards are of diamond shape and 13 cards are of heart shape. Now, dear students, we have to go to the practice set 5.2. Some easy questions are there that we have to complete it today. Now, see the practice set 5.2. See, dear student, practice set 5.2, question number first. For each of the following experiments, write sample space S and number of sample point NS. Some experiments are given and for each experiment, we have to write the sample space and sample points. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Dear student, one coin and one die. One coin and one die thrown simultaneously. For this experiment, we have to write the sample space and sample points. Dear students, see, in the previous we learned one coin, two coins, one die or two die. But here the combination is one coin and one die. For that purpose, see dear student, how to write the sample space. Sample space S is equal to, it is a set, therefore we have to use curly brackets. See here, sample space, one coin and one die. One coin, suppose I roll a die, then coin, then it is H. When it is H, then there is a die is there. See, if for coin, what are the possibilities? H and T. And for die, what are the possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Got it? Therefore H and 1. This is the first possibilities. Second will be a H and 2. Then H and 3. Then H and 4. H and 5. And H and 6. That means when one coin is, every time H will be there, but the second die there will be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to write tail, that is T1, then T2, T3. That means this H we have to write with 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and second time we take this T with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore T3, T4, then it is T5, and dear student, it is T6. We completed the curly bracket and number of sample point S is equal to, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It is sample points are 12. Very easy. Now we have to see the second question. In first there is a second experiment is given. See, dear student, it is important one. 2-digit numbers are formed using digits 2, 3, 5 without repeating the digits. See, dear student, 2-digit numbers are formed. Here we have to write second 2-digit numbers are formed using digit 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digit. Here student, see, it is important one. Many times such type of questions are there. Here we have to form 2-digit number. How? By using these 3 digits, not any one digit. We have to use these specific 3 digits. We have to use 3 numbers are used, and by using these 3 numbers we have to make 2-digit number, and condition it without repeating a digit. Try to understand the meaning of this sentence. We did not have to repeat the digit. That means we can't write one digit 2 times. That is 2, that is 22, 33, 55. This 2-digit number we did not have to write that. Sample space. Now S is equal to. See, dear student, how to write the 2-digit number. We have to make the 2-digit number by using these 3 digits. First we write 2 and 3. This 2 with this 3 and this 2 with this 5. 2 and 5. We can take 2 with 2. We get the 2-digit number. But condition is that without repeating a digit. Therefore we can't write this 2, 2. Then this 3 take with this 2. Therefore 3, 2, 32. And 3 with this 5. 3 with this 5, 35. Then we can write 33. But here we can't write because we did not have to repeat the digit. Therefore this 5 with 2, 5, 2, and here it is 5, 3. Therefore, dear student, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 5, 2, 5, 3. These are the 2-digit number formed by using these 3 digits without repeating the digit. Say, dear student, when the question is related with 2-digit number, we have to confirm condition is given or not. Without repeating a digit, this condition is given, then we can write 6 numbers. Got it like this. In this case, we did not have to write 22, 33 and 55. If repetition of digit is allowed, at that time we have to take 22, 33, 55. Like this is the second sum. I think everyone understood this. Number of sample point NS is equal to 6. Now, dear student, we have to take the question number second is given. In that second, see, dear students, the arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disc. Find out on which color it may stop. See, dear student, one wheel is there like this, and divided into 6 parts. This is red color, this is orange, then yellow color, blue, it is green, and here it is purple, and one arrow is there, and that arrow is rotating on this wheel, and this arrow is stopped at a randomly rotate and is stopped randomly on the disc. This arrow stops on which color? That we have to find out sample space. For this, dear students, see here, this arrow may stop any one of this color. Therefore, all these colors are our sample space. Therefore, we can write sample space S is equal to, all these colors we have to write. Here it is red, then orange, then yellow, then blue, green, and here it is purple. Like this, all these 6 colors are there. Therefore, number of S is equal to 6. Yes, student, this arrow may stop any one of this color on any of this color. Therefore, all these colors are our sample space. Therefore, number of S is equal to 6. Very simple and very interesting. Dear student, see the next question. Question number 3rd one is there. See, this is also interesting. In the month of March 2019, find the day on which the date is multiple of 5. See the given page of the calendar. Page of calendar is given. Here it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 1, 2, 3. Here it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. This is March 2019 calendar page is given. See, on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. First is on Friday, second on Saturday, and Sunday, like this. Now, dear student, in the month of March 2020, find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. Find the day. See, dear student, we have to find out the day. Which day? Date is a multiple of 5. Date is a multiple of 5. That means, see, dear student, find the date. That means find the day. That means we have to write the day. But which day? The day on which the date is a multiple of 5. Now, date is a multiple of 5. Multiple of 5. First one is 5. Then here it is multiple of 5. Second multiple is a 10. Then here it is 15. Then here it is 20. Then it is 25. And here it is 30. These are the multiple of 5. Now on 5th date, the day is Tuesday. Then 10 it is Sunday. 15 it is Friday. Then 20 it is Wednesday. Then 25 it is on Monday. And 30 it is on Saturday. All the days are there without this Thursday. Therefore, we have to write sample space S is equal to, first of all, we have to write Tuesday. Second one is Sunday. Third one is Friday. Then Wednesday. Then Monday. And the last one is Saturday. Yes student, there are total 6 days, therefore number of S is equal to 6. Very easy. See dear student, we have to in exam, if multiple instead of multiple of 5, multiple of 2 are given, then you have to write. If the multiple of 3 are given, then you have to write. See here, one important thing is that we have to write the day on which the date is multiple of 5. That means we have to see the date, but we have to write the day. Now the last question is given and it is also important. Dear student, see the question number 4th one, which is activity based question. Form a road safety committee. We have to form a committee of 2. See dear student, we have to form a committee of 2 persons from 2 boys and 2 girls. That means 2 boys are there and 2 girls are there. From these 4, we have to make the committee of 2. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. Dear student, see, there are 2 boys, that is B1 and B2. Then 2 girls are there, 2 girls G1 and G2. See dear student, in this case 2 boys and 2 girls are there. There are total 4 students are there. From that 4 students, we have to make the committee of any 2. First of all, committee of 2 boys. 2 boys will be there. Then in that committee, what are the, we can write here committee of 2 boys, that is B1 and B2. 2 boys will be there. Then committee of 2 girls. 2 girls are there, G1 and G2. Therefore we write here G1 and G2. This is the another committee. This is the one committee of 2 boys, one committee of 2 girls, and we have to make the committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. 1 boy and 1 girl. For that purpose, what we have to take? This B1 with G1. This will be the first committee, and this B1 with G2. This is the second committee. Therefore, we can write here B1 and G1. Then we have to write B1 and G2. This is the committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. Now we have to take this B2 with G1 and again B2 with G2. Therefore, we can write here, say third committee will be formed, that is B2 and G1 and this B2 with G2. These are the committees. If 2 boys will be there, then the one committee will be formed, B1 and B2, 2 boys are there. Committee of 2 girls, then G1 and G2. Committee of 1 boy, that means in that committee 1 boy and 1 girl is there. Then at that time, what are the possibilities? Possibilities are B1 with G1, B1 with G2, B2 with G1 and B2 with G2, and therefore now the sample space S will be all this sample space. We have sample space here, it is B1 G1, then B1 G2, then B2 G1 and B2 G2. Dear student, see here, we write this sample space for committee of 1 boy and 1 girl, but we have to write the sample space for all these conditions. That means committee of 2, it may be a 2 boys or 2 girls. Therefore, in this case, we have to write this B1 B2 and G1 G2. Got it? Therefore, be careful while writing this. Dear student, this sample space we have to write for a committee of two. There is no condition that there should be only two boys, there should be only two girls, or one boy and one girl. This condition is not there. Therefore, we have to include these two also. Therefore, this sample space is for committee of two. Committee of two. That means B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1, B2 G2, B1 B2, and G1 G2. If we write up to this, then this is only for the committee of one boy and one girl. Got it? Condition is not given. We have to write the sample space for all. Therefore, these two also we have to write it in a sample space. Dear student, I want to tell you one thing. Instead of these boys and girls, the question is about the men and women. At that time, we have to take for men M1 and M2 and M3, three men's will be there. And for women, we can take W2, W1, W2, W3 like this. You have to remember this. Dear student, question is related with red color balls, blue color ball, green color. At that time also we have to use this technique, and this will help you to write the sample space easily. Dear student, here we completed the practice set 5.2. In next lecture we will completed the question number practice set 5.3. Thank you.